His name will go down in history. But who is this man? Boston, 1770. A mob, angered by rising taxation imposed from London, confronts British troops. As tensions rise, the first shots of the American Revolution are fired. The first to die is Crispus Attucks. His name will go down in history. But who was this man, and why did he put himself in the line of fire? Born into slavery to an African father and a Native American mother, Attucks first enters the history books in 1750, when the Boston Gazette reported that he had run away from slave owner William Brown. Having managed to evade capture, Attucks struck out for a new life as a free black man. He had become a sailor and was serving as part of a crew in Boston by 1770, when tensions were running high in the city. British soldiers had been sent there to enforce the much-hated Townshend Acts, which had increased taxes on American merchants. Tensions rose further when, in February 1770, an 11-year-old boy was shot dead by the Brits who were breaking up an unruly crowd. On the evening of March 5th, the town was on edge. Many expressed their dissatisfaction, including Attucks, and he paid for it with his life. News of the Boston Massacre soon spread. According to the Boston Gazette, vengeful British troops mowed down an innocent crowd. But during a subsequent trial, it was revealed that Attucks and others may have attacked the British soldiers first with stones and balls of ice. As a result, Attucks was lionized by American patriots, who used his image as a symbol of resistance against British rule. And during the 19th century, abolitionists used Attucks as an icon to protest against slavery. Crispus Attucks has become a powerful emblem of the American Revolution. When it comes to such icons, do you think facts or symbols matter more? Want to know more about our nation's history? Why not subscribe to our channel?